Telangana Police. As we all know, he has been in charge of the Bihar Jharkhand Special Area Committee, and for long years, after going UG in the year 1982, when he was in his intermediate, he got influenced by the Radical Students Union and joined the People's War Group and started working as a Dalam member in Chhattisgarh area. After that, he has risen in the ranks and reached, in 2017, he was made the Central Committee member. And he is an expert in making grenades, bombs, LMG, rotor, shoulder-fired motors and such equipment. He is also an expert in maintenance of this military equipment which they had, rifles, guns and other military equipment which he is an expert at laying booby traps, and he used to be in charge of all the training sessions for the Maoist UG cadre in these aspects. So being there, his wife also is from Guntur district, met him in 86 and joined him as in the Bangalore area den as a den keeper, and from that year onwards they have both been together and slowly have shifted to the Jharkhand, Bihar area and have been staying together. Both have come out today and surrendered to the Telangana police, and as of now, if we calculate the number of persons who are UG, in Telangana there are hardly 3 members left. Those 3 are Muppal Lakshman Rao, the other CC member and General Secretary of the Maoists, and his wife, Jode Ratnabai. Both are believed to be in some hideout, but they have not responded to our appeals by our Honorable Chief Minister and also the Honorable Union Home Minister. So we appeal to them, and even his own colleague in the Central Committee, Mr. Narahari, has appealed to him today to surrender. Then we have Varta Shekhar alias Mangtu, who is also UG from Telangana. Overall, we can say, as on today, there are 47 UG cadre in the country. Chhattisgarh has 15, Jharkhand has 13, Orissa has 15, Telangana 3 and AP 1. So we appeal to all of them, come out, because the days are over. The society has changed. The ideology of Maoism has no more place in the modern day society of India. And on behalf of the Telangana police and Telangana government, we appeal to all the remaining cadre to come out and surrender voluntarily. The governments have, in all states, have put in place excellent surrender and rehab policies. In Telangana, as you have seen, we have given the reward amount on this day, 25 lakhs and 20 lakhs to each, both of them. Further, we will be issuing health cards. Whatever help they require in terms of employment, if they want to work in some area, reskilling will be done. If they want to do agriculture, perhaps some land, the equipment which is necessary, like a tractor, will be loaned out to them. And in every manner, the Telangana government has put out a very good rehabilitation policy. So now our challenge is to watch all the surrender cadre on a regular basis, ensure that they get all the benefits which have been assured, and ensure that they join the mainstream and never again think of going back or go to a different type of ideology and thinking.
So what is the update on plans? What are they planning to do?
They have not yet decided. I asked them specifically, what would you like to... they said they will go back to their villages, settle down, because for 40 years, 45 years they have been UG and have not seen. So perhaps we will help them see how development has taken place. They don't even know. When they saw these huge buildings, they were quite... In fact, they were not well. Both of them were not well, having dengue and malaria. For the last 10 days, we have been giving them treatment in a corporate hospital. And when they saw those buildings and that development, they were quite amazed that society has changed so much. So this is the thing we would like to expose them to, that things are different. The country is moving ahead economically, socially. So they also need to join that. And whatever they decide to do, the government will definitely try to help them.
So what is the update on the advocate murder issue? It's
Why-
been 3 days and no word from a police.
There will be a full word and a press meet soon by the CP
All of
Hyderabad.
them nabbed
How can I say that on record?
because it's going on.
I can't say such
It's
things on
going
record.
political, sir. So
No, it is not going political. There's nothing. Politics is created by media, not by anyone else. There's nothing, no politics involved. The entire case, the entire conspiracy is busted, and very soon you will hear the details.
सर 2 दिन में बकरीद फेस्टिवल है उसके फेस्टिवल को लेकर
अभी यहाँ बकरीद नहीं
सर